Hello, welcome to ZonePillar. Today I'm going to show you how to create projects and tasks. Once you log in, you'll be in the dashboard. To create a project, you go into the Projects tab, Create New Project. Let's name this project Project 1. Then you're going to input the location. Then you're going to input the city, state, and zip. Then let's create the status to in progress. Select the manager, and then you click save. Then you go into the project. Once you're in the project, you're going to be in the overview. To create tasks, you got to hit the task tab, but before you can create a new task, you have to create new groups. So let's call this group first floor. This is going to be a multi-family, multi-story building. So let's start with the first floor. Then let's name the rooms. So let's create a new subgroup. Let's start with room 101. Create. Before you start creating multiple different rooms, you first need to finish one so then you can duplicate it rather than creating tasks for each and every single room. So let's start new task. Let's select group first floor, subgroup room 101. Let's start with install AC units. You can do start date, then you can do due date. Let's select it for the week after. To do, and assignee ZonePillar sales. Then you hit create. And once you create it, it'll be a task in the 101 room and the first floor. Let's create a new task. The group and the subgroup should be auto-populated, but if you're having trouble, you can just delete it and then select them again. Let's name this one install thermostat. Select the start date, select the due date, to do, assignees ZonePillar sales. Let's do one more new task, install grill, start date, due date, to do, assignee ZonePillar sales. So then let's say you have multiple rooms with these exact tasks. What you can do is click on the three dots next to the subgroup and you can click duplicate. Then you can call it 102. You can preserve the status of the task, preserve the due date of the task, preserve the start date of the task, and preserve the assignees of the task. Then you click duplicate. And then instantly you'll have all the same tasks all in the 100-second room. Then we can hit duplicate again. Let's call this 103. Duplicate. And then let's say you have a second story with the same rooms and the same tasks. Rather than creating another group, more subgroups, you can just duplicate the entire thing and call it second floor. Hit duplicate, and then everything will be here. To fix the 101, 102, 103, you just hit edit name. Now you can call it 201, 202, 203. This is a lot faster than creating new tasks and new subgroups and groups every single time. Thank you. This is how you create projects and tasks.